Yo, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I know I'm like a day late. So, I drew the Grinch. Now I got inspired to draw the Grinch because of the new movie, the Grinch movie. I just recently watched it like 2 days ago. I didn't expect it to be as good as it just was. That movie, that was dope. I mean, I kind of like it more than like the original realistic version. I mean, I like the storyline. I just liked it, and I like the animation. Like the animation, it stood out than it would normally would in an animation movie. If you know how animation is, I kind of like how the fur was moving. Yeah, that was cold. And what else did I like about the movie? I like that the Grinch wasn't as portrayed as he normally be in the movie. Cause in the movie, I felt like he was kind of nicer. Even at the end, I ain't gonna tell it. But yeah, let me just stop. Y'all should go watch it. It's on Netflix. The Grinch. I'm not even a Christmas movie type of person, but I just felt inspired to watch that, so it was good. But I want to talk to y'all about my second YouTube channel called CJ the God. Now, y'all should go subscribe. The link to that channel will be in the description. Please go subscribe to that channel. I'm doing something completely different than what I do on Mad Drawing. I made that channel because I've been wanting to do some other stuff than just drawing, but I know this channel is dedicated and committed to this craft that I already started. So I made CJ the God as to make a different channel, a different look, just different everything from Mad Drawing, because I feel I don't want to just do drawing as YouTube every day. So that's why I made CJ the God. Now what it will be about is I don't honestly know yet, but I know I will be dropping some reaction videos today on CJ the God. So again, link to that channel will be in the description. Please go subscribe to that channel. It's my second channel, man. I'm so happy to be uploading. So yeah, go subscribe to that channel. Link will be in the description. Now, what I will be watching is I will be watching, funny videos, all type of stuff. Now, hopefully, I will do other things. Like, it's so much stuff I want to do, but with Mad Drawing and how it's already going, I don't want to switch that up because I've been building this for like a while, so I don't want to switch that up. So CJ the God, that's gonna be a whole variety of videos, and yeah, that's yeah. And back to Mad Drawing, I don't know what to draw though. Like, I haven't felt a lot inspired than I normally do when it comes to making videos. So, but I still figure it out. But this just come to mind, and I'll figure it out. But I just wanted to promote my second YouTube channel, CJ the God. I really want y'all to go subscribe to that, because if you love me and if you support me, you'll go subscribe to that second YouTube channel. But look at the Grinch. I feel like this looked like I was looking at the movie cover from the Grinch, from the new one that I'm talking about, and I like the way how he was looking in that one. So I just drew him again, And I mean, that's that talent too. When you just look at something, you can draw it, bro. At this point, everybody who watch my videos, y'all should at least know how to draw something. Like, that one thing you know how to draw, and you draw it so perfect that it can't be ignored. So I hope y'all at least know how to draw like something. And I hope this video like helping y'all too. So, and y'all need to let me know, should I like slow the video down if y'all not quite getting it, or because this video is speeded. Like, this video was 14 minutes and I speeded it up to like 4 minutes. I only did that because I don't want to have a long video and people not really gonna watch it. But please go check out CJ the God, my second YouTube channel. Please go subscribe. Please go support. Thank y'all for watching this video. Peace. Thank you.